but I can feel it on my face. Oh, so hot. In Malaysia, look, I'm all wet. It's so hot. Sambal Belachan. Sambal means chili paste or chili sauce. It's a Malay word, and Belachan, it means shrimp paste. This is a chili paste with the flavor and the aroma that comes from the Belachan or the shrimp paste. Now this is a Malaysian version or my home version that I'm going to show you how to make. It is very simple. It requires two different types of chilies, red chilies. One is a common long red chili, this red chili right here, and the other one is the Thai version or the Vietnamese version of the red chili. This is much smaller, is skinny and long compared to this other chili. Now this small long red chili or the Thai or the Vietnamese version of the red chili is very spicy. It's punched with a lot of spiciness and heat in it. This other chili is not spicy. It gives it a nice mild sweet aroma and flavor in the chili sauce. Now lots of red chilies. The other key ingredients to make the Sambal Belachan Malaysian version or my home version is using this particular lime. This lime is called kasturi lime or calamansi lime. In Penang Hokkien, we call it gat la. So I'll be using a lot of this because I bought a packet. I'm going to squeeze this into a glass or a bowl, and then I'm going to use it to mix it to make my Sambal Belachan. Another key ingredient, the reason why it's called Belachan, is the shrimp paste. This is toasted Belachan, which I've done an earlier video. I'll put the link of the video below the description or on the top right. You can add sugar to give it a little bit of sweetness and to tone down the spiciness of the Sambal Belachan. Let me show you how to do this. Very simple, making your own chili paste at home that you can use in your dishes or as a dipping sauce. To make this Sambal Belachan, you need to use the mortar and pestle, and you need to pound and to grind the chili paste. I have this over here, which I'm going to use this. It is quite different if you use a blender or the grinder. You have to pound it to make this Sambal Belachan. I have already washed the chilies, so they have been washed. So just remove the stem from the chili and dice it up. Belachan. And add some sugar. Then I'm gonna keep pounding. You're going to like this. I wish you can actually smell it. You can smell that it's the chili itself, and it's really spicy. You can smell the Belachan. So you need to keep pound the chili until you get a nice, smooth, a little bit coarse texture. So that is the texture that I'm looking for. So keep working on the muscle. I'm gonna add a little bit more Belachan. Remember this, if you missed that video, remember to watch the video that I made on how I toast my Belachan. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I wanted to have a nice aroma from the shrimp paste, the toasted Belachan. I'm gonna add another teaspoon. I already had 1 teaspoon in there, so I'm adding another teaspoon. So 2 teaspoons in the sambal. Now I'm gonna continue pounding the sambal. I'm gonna cut all this so I show you what it looks like inside. Now is to taste to see if there is enough Belachan in there, enough calamansi lime for the sourness, and also sugar for the sweetness. And if it's not enough, you need to adjust it to your own taste. Wow, it is very hot. I need to add more Belachan and I need to add more sugar to tone down the spiciness. Okay, so another teaspoon of Belachan because I'm making quite a large amount of Sambal Belachan here. So always come in handy that you toast the whole block of Belachan and keep it in the freezer. So I'm gonna add, this is the 3rd teaspoon of Belachan, toasted Belachan. I'm gonna add another teaspoon of sugar. Then I'm gonna mix it through. Yes, that's enough sugar, enough Belachan. I can taste it. It's nice aroma from the toasted Belachan. And in terms of calamansi lime, I still have 1 left here, which I have cut. So I'm gonna add Getla. If you haven't tried calamansi or kasturi lime, it has a different flavor from the Tahitian lime. It has a very nice aroma and sweetness and a little bit sourness in it. It is a beautiful lime, one of my favorite lime. That's my Sambal Belachan. I've placed my Sambal Belachan in this jar, which is 475 grams. It makes half a jar from the amount of chili that I used. This will keep in the fridge for several weeks. I hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. And try this recipe at home. It is very easy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.